At Max, we've been developing innovative tools for the construction industry for decades. In 1993, Max changed the steel reinforcing industry with the introduction of the world's first battery-operated rebar tying tool. The Max rebar tire has forever transformed job site safety and productivity for iron workers. Now, Max is raising the bar again with its new rebar tire, the TwinTier RB441T. The TwinTier can tie rebar with greater efficiency than ever before. The TwinTier's name comes from its innovative dual wire feeding mechanism, which increases its tying speed and improves job site productivity. Its low power consumption design and higher capacity battery gives the TwinTier the ability to tie 4,000 ties per charge. The TwinTier's enhanced wire pullback mechanism dispenses the precise amount of wire needed to form a tie, reducing wire consumption and delivering more ties per spool for additional cost savings. We've redesigned the TwinTier jaw to tie number 3 by number 3 up to number 7 by number 7 rebars, allowing you to tie bigger gauges while maintaining the ability to work in tighter spaces than previous models. The TwinTier's quick load magazine makes changing wire spools a piece of cake, and the relocated magazine provides enhanced balance and ergonomics, making flat work easier. With 3 tie wire options to choose from, the TwinTier's new wire bending mechanism produces a shorter tie height, allowing for shallower concrete pours, and positions tie ends downward to increase safety. For years, Max has developed the world's most advanced rebar tying tools, and now offers a full line of products for the steel reinforcing industry. To learn more about the TwinTier and our full line of steel reinforcing products, visit us online or contact your local Max USA sales executive today.